Prevent dried mortar from ruining grout joints by adopting a deliberate cleanup routine that removes mortar as each large format tile is set. When laying large format tile, use a buttering and backbuttering method to control mortar, squeeze out, and keep the bed thickness even. Apply a full bed of mortar to the substrate and a thin layer to the tile back. Then set and press with a slight twisting motion to collapse ridges without forcing excess into joints. Maintain joint depth by running a battens or spacer tool along the joint line immediately after setting a row to trap mortar on the tile face rather than in the gap. Keep a bucket of clean water and 2 sponges at hand, one for initial wiping and one kept nearly dry for final finishing, and change the water frequently to avoid smearing cement paste. Use a firm plastic or wooden float to remove bulk squeeze out within 10 to 15 minutes of setting, working diagonally across the joints to pull off mortar rather than push it into the seam. If working with rapid setting or modified mortars, shorten your working window and plan tile layout in smaller sections so cleanup can be completed before the mortar skins. For edges and tight corners, use a stiff nylon brush or small grout rake while the mortar is still soft to shape joints and prevent pockets of hardened mortar. Common mistakes include letting mortar skin over in the joint before attempting cleanup, which makes removal much harder. Avoid this by cleaning each joint immediately and limiting the area you set to what you can clean within the mortar working time. A second frequent error is using a saturated sponge for final cleanup, which leaves the joint too wet and flushes cement into it. Fix that by reserving a nearly dry sponge for the finishing pass and blotting excess water from tile faces. Third, inconsistent mortar bed thickness causes excessive squeeze out in some areas and voids in others. Correct this by measuring and maintaining a consistent notch trowel angle and using backbuttering on large format tiles to ensure uniform contact. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like large format tile installations so we can find local professionals and relevant advice easily. Our site includes a discussion community where we share techniques, ask questions, and learn practical tips from others working on similar jobs.